Jigs Chemical Limited is a trusted and experienced supplier of industrial chemicals, pharmaceutical raw materials, specialty solvents, cosmetic-grade ingredients, and imported formulations. Serving clients across India and abroad, we provide chemicals in a wide range of packings, drums, carboys, bags, and bulk tankers, designed to suit every scale of operation, from research labs to full-scale manufacturing plants. Our product range is comprehensive and reliable, catering to industries like pharmaceuticals, chemicals, cosmetics, textiles, water treatment, agrochemicals, and personal care. We specialize in high-demand chemicals such as Thionyl Chloride, Methylene Dichloride, MDC, Chloroform, Isopropyl Alcohol, IPA, and Hydrogen Peroxide, hydrogen oxide, available in drums and tankers for bulk users. We offer essential alkalis like caustic soda flakes and lye, as well as caustic potash, Co, in both flake and lye form, widely used in soaps, batteries, and chemical processing. Our range extends to important acids and reagents like Hydrochloric Acid, Methyl Sulphate, DMS, Toluene Sulfonic Acid, PTSA, Polyphosphoric Acid, PPA, and Phosphorous Oxychloride, POCl. We also supply Phosphorous Pentachloride, Phosphorous Trichloride, and Phosphorous Pentoxide, which are critical for intermediates and agrochemical manufacturing. Among our solvents and excipients, you'll find acetone, dimethylformamide, DMF, ethyl acetate, methanol, toluene, and other industry-grade materials used in synthesis, cleaning, and extractions. For the cosmetic and personal care industries, we provide consistent quality glycerine, stearic acid, and soap noodles, enabling smooth formulation and production processes. We also cater to clients requiring specialty products like sodium methoxide in powder and solution form, sodium metabisulfite, SMBS, for food and water treatment, potassium permanganate, PP, as an oxidizer, and potassium carbonate in both granule and powder grades. Our offering includes high-demand metal-based salts such as cobalt sulfate and versatile materials like boric acid and aluminum chloride. We supply liquid chlorine, a key component for disinfection and chemical synthesis, as well as sulfuryl chloride, sulfur dioxide, and sulfur powder, all of which play significant roles in various chemical and industrial applications. In addition to our regular product line, we also source and deliver imported and China origin chemicals, including pharmaceutical APIs, intermediates, excipients, and niche solvents, allowing our customers to access global-grade materials through a single, dependable channel. What sets Jigs Chemical Limited apart is not just the wide product portfolio, but our unwavering commitment to quality, timely delivery, flexible quantities, and technical documentation support. With a dedicated team and deep sourcing expertise, we ensure a smooth supply chain experience, whether you're a small business or a large-scale manufacturer. To explore our full catalog and learn more, visit link to jigschemical.com. For pricing and product inquiries, please use the contact details mentioned in the description and email us to info@jigschemical.com. Jigs Chemical Limited, powering industry with trusted chemicals, reliable service, and a commitment to your success.